Hey, it's Anthony again, and we're back here on Ophelia Place, and now we're in August. The sun's just poking through the clouds, and today we're going to be focusing on private company tours. So we're back in August, which means everyone's back after their holidays and back at work. So that means we have many more private company tours. We asked all the captains to give us their feedback. We've compiled all that information, and today we're going to workshop that and talk about it a little bit more. So I've just seen the captains come in. Let's go have a chat with them. Cool. Yeah, can you imagine?
I have a fun tour actually though. To begin with, I have like a Danish family and like a Instagram influencer, like a travel guy, freebie. I need to get some coffee.
Hola, Cap!
Which boat is this?
Crystal?
This is Crystal, which is my favourite boat.
Is she your favourite? How's your day looking? Have you had a look yet?
Yeah, I've had a look. I've got a business lunch.
Oh, good.
It'll be a challenge.
Yeah, it'll definitely be a challenge. Preparation is key, so I think when they come down and we already know what we're expecting. For instance, what's CIID?
Copenhagen Institute of Interaction Design. But this is actually probably going to be very interesting for us because they're an incubator for startups.
Okay, really interesting. And look, so how can we use that information now you've got that?
Well, it could be a good conversation starter. To be, okay, well, did you know that we're a startup? To get some more interested in the product rather than it's just another canal tour.
Yeah, for sure. So what is going to be the key elements?
I'm more interested in finding out what they are about, because then they'll be interested. We'll have a talking point rather than me talking about things that we're passing that they might not be interested in, so they might switch off and then I'll lose them.
That's your key. That's what we're going to go with today. Yeah. Cool. Well, let's go smash it. How is your day anyway?
Pretty good.
Good?
3 tours, 1 hour, 2 hours. 1 hour, they're all booked. No private tour, mostly European tourists, and a solo traveler from the US.
Cool.
So that's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
It's always fun, they're always like, going around Europe, visiting all the different cities by themselves.
You can really use
fun. Yeah.
Usually a solo travel is pretty okay.
There's just some...
the weather looks okay actually. I checked it.
Yeah.
And it's pushing this way, but I think we'll be okay. That was it, saying it was not going to rain.
Yeah, well, we have a cover for the
Mr. Barometer got it wrong, eh?
You're never wrong.
That's true, I'm never wrong.
But it's cold. This tour's full, the next tour's full.
No.
Can I help you? No, you get coffee right over there. Oh, sorry. No problem. We sell boat tours.
So it's hard to believe we've got Danish summer, we've got sunshine here, clouds over here, but there seems to be a bit of rain. So me and Sam have just put the cover up, but we'll let the guests decide whether they want to keep it up or not. Let's see how he gets on.
Yeah, they had a great time.
Okay.
I think the rain actually makes the tours a little more fun because we're all in this together, and I mean, the guests are dry, and gets kind of cozy.
Yeah.
So what time are we? We're at 2 o'clock now, around lunchtime. Brinda's has gone off on a break. She gets hungry if she doesn't have anything to eat. All the boats are out at the moment, so it's a bit of a quiet period, but in about 10 minutes Cam will get back from the company tour we were discussing earlier, so it'll be interesting to see what he thought about that and hear his thoughts.
All right, Cam, first thoughts from your 2-hour private tour?
Very nice people. So when they first came up, they had said that they mostly work out of the UN in Nordhavn, which is featured on our northern route. So they've kind of had seen that. They'd seen the North Harbour and they'd seen the northern route. They work there every day. So I proposed, let's go down to the South Harbour, and it was the right decision. I think the tour was really enjoyable for everybody because of the route. And even one of the Danish guests who had lived here for most of her life had said that she would never have seen what I showed them unless she was in the boat. So I think that was kind of my aim, was to show them something they'd never seen before, and I feel like I achieved that. And if I can wow a lady who's lived in Copenhagen all of her life, then I think that's achieved some of the DNA at least.
Hey Anthony, how's it going?
Hey Casper. Good? Good, I'm good.
Yeah?
How about you?
Yeah, it's been good. A couple good meetings. Yeah, really good day. How about you?
Had a good day, interesting weather, and some good feedback sessions and workshops on the company tours. I think the guys have been really quite receptive to it. Cam went out one, he came back and actually he smashed them away.
Okay.
So that was good. Cool. And it was all about route selection.
Yeah, route selection.
Route selection and knowing what they did.
Yeah.
So the
Yeah,
talking
so
points were already there.
Okay.
Yeah. So he knew, okay, this is what I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to get in depth on that.
Yeah.
That was good. Yeah. Rather than 15 million things, little, like rather 3 good conversations.
Yeah.
So cool. All in all, good.
Beautiful.
You're making work. Traction.